Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we are diving into the Oppo 8 Pro, one of the most anticipated flagship phones of 2025. This device brings a blend of cutting-edge technology, sleek design and powerful performance, making it a strong competitor in the premium smartphone market. Starting with the features, the Oppo 8 Pro is packed with the latest innovations. It runs on the newest Snapdragon processor, ensuring ultra-fast performance and efficiency. Whether you are gaming, streaming or multitasking, this phone handles it all without a hitch. The display is a stunning 68-inch AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering vibrant colors, deep blacks and an ultra-smooth experience. The camera setup is a major highlight, with a triple lens system featuring a 200-megapixel main sensor enhanced by AI-powered image processing. Low-light photography is significantly improved and the periscope zoom allows for detailed shots even from a distance. The front camera is also upgraded, making it perfect for high-quality selfies and video calls. Battery life is another strong point, with a massive 5500 mAh battery that supports 100W fast charging. Wireless charging is faster than ever, and reverse charging lets you power up other devices effortlessly. The phone runs on Color OS based on Android 15, bringing new customization options and AI-driven features for an optimized user experience. Moving to the exterior, the Oppo 8 Pro features a premium glass and metal design with a sleek curved edge for a comfortable grip. The back has a matte finish that resists fingerprints, and the camera module is seamlessly integrated to give a futuristic look. It comes in multiple color options, including a unique gradient variant that changes shades under different lighting conditions. Durability is improved with Gorilla Glass Vitus 3 protection and an IP68 rating, making it resistant to water and dust. The under-display fingerprint sensor is faster and more secure, while facial recognition technology has been upgraded for better accuracy in all lighting conditions. In conclusion, the Oppo 8 Pro is a powerhouse, combining top-tier performance, a stunning display, an advanced camera system and a premium design. It is built for those who want the best in technology and aesthetics. Whether you are a gamer, a photographer or just someone who needs a reliable flagship phone, this device is worth considering. Let us know your thoughts on the Oppo 8 Pro. Would you choose it over other flagships this year? Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to FK iPhone for more tech updates. See you in the next one.